In this video, I will show you how you can download and install apps on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Now to do that, first of all, just open the control center on your iPhone, then go to the connection section. And from here, just make sure that your iPhone is connected to the internet. After that, just go to your home screen and open the App Store. And in the App Store, just tap on your profile icon. And from here, just make sure that you're signed into your Apple ID. If you're not signed into your Apple ID, just sign in from here. Now, after you sign into your Apple ID, on the home page of the App Store, you will find these recommended apps. Now, from here, you can scroll down and you can browse from these apps over here, or you can just open any section in the dock over here. For example, you have the section for today, you have the option for games, apps, arcade, and search. And in search, you can search the name of the specific app which you want to download. Let's say if we want to download Snapchat on our iPhone, so just search Snapchat, then tap on the search icon, and the option for Snapchat will appear on the screen. So just tap on it, then tap on Get. Now just double click on the side button. Now just scan your face using your Face ID. For example, if you have not set up Face ID on your iPhone, then just tap on Install. And from here, just enter the password of your Apple ID. After you enter the password of your Apple ID, then tap on Confirm. Then you will start installing the app on your iPhone. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.